Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa Aulia Saputra. I'm doctoral student from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I will show you and present to you about my scoping review titled Deep Learning Applied in Education. Without further ado, let's start the presentation. Here is the background of the study. We exist in the era of technology 4.0, where every system we utilize is interconnected through the internet. And one of the signs of technology 4.0 is emergence of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an intelligent system capable of resolving intricate problems through its sophisticated methods. Artificial intelligence divided into two parts. There are machine learning and deep learning. And the difference between machine learning and deep learning lies in how their algorithm works. Machine learning uses algorithms to parse data, learn from that data, and make informed decisions based on what it has learned. But deep learning structures algorithm in layers to create an artificial network that can learn and make intelligent decisions on its own. So in this case, I will discuss about deep learning functions as a framework capable of enhancing the quality of the learning experience. So we want to know about the advantages of deep learning in enhance the learning quality, not only for the system, but also to improve the performance of the students. Here is the research objectives. This review seeks to eliminate the influence and potential of deep learning in reshaping education, cultivating a learning environment that is both more efficient and impactful. So, and then this is the research methodology. We use three stages of research methodology. First is literature screening. In literature screening, we generate all of the documents regarding our topic. And then the stage two is crafting a research question. We crafting a research question to make this topic more focused to discuss. And then the stage three is conducting the selection, identification, and synthesis of the documents. After we generate the documents regarding to our topic, we crafting the research question, and we have two research questions for our study. First is how has the deep learning trend in education evolved over the past 10 years? And then the second one is which educational themes can derive advantages from DL or deep learning. After we crafting the research question, we also set the exclusion criteria. It can help us to make the documents more focused to our topic. So we set the exclusion criteria. The first is the documents were published before 2013. And then the second exclusion criteria is the document type includes a systematic review or is not a journal article. And then the document has been downloaded more than once, non-English documents, the document is not open access, and the document does not correspond to the topic and data set. We also use Prism method diagram to generate the documents. It makes us know and selective to choose the documents that appropriate to our topic. So in this Prism method diagram, we have three steps. First, identification, second is screening, and third is included. From the 5,000 papers, we got only 23 documents that met the threshold or met the criteria. So this is the article distribution to answer the research question number one. As we can see, the growth of articles about the application of deep learning in the world of education increases every year. Research related to deep learning in the world of education in the last 10 years has been rife. However, the number of articles starting from 2013 until 2020 is still very volatile, evidenced by the number of articles that increased dramatically in 2017, as we can see here. It increased about 300 documents, almost 300 documents, and from 2016, from 144 documents, and then in 2017 is 631 documents. Then in 2018, experienced a decrease in the number of articles to 317 documents before finally increasing again in 2019. Here we can see the increase again in 2019 with a total number of article is 595 documents. And we can see the peak of article publication is in 2022 with a total number of articles of 1,160 articles. From the documents that we can read, we classify into three themes. There are learning media, prediction, and classification and analysis. The learning media is discussed about the ability of deep learning as a tool that can help learning as a learning system. And in prediction theme, this theme provides an overview of DL or deep learning as a tool that is able to predict students' achievement and performance. And for the classification and analysis, this theme that describes deep learning's ability to analyze factors and variables and classify image, semantic data, and sentiment related to learning. This is the example of the paper that discuss DL as a learning media. We can see the example of this paper, and all this paper that discuss about learning media, they show that deep learning can use or is able to help students improve their achievement from this learning media. As we can see in the first paper written by Lu et al., we can see that the new library on deep learning is DeepXDA. So this author create or develop the new library on deep learning that called DeepXDE, which is able to help computational learning media for data in the form of physical information. And deep learning is able to calculate and process physical data and in accordance with the expected result. And the second one is the paper written by Searching and Schuffman, 2018, that studied about the DL used as a system to classify anatomical structures and surgical procedures based on surgical videos of endometriosis treatment and myoma resection. And then the third one is an explainer, the DL-based tools used to help people who are not expert in computing and programming learning the CNN network. So this is the topic of the paper that discuss DL as a learning media. The second theme is performance prediction. In this theme, actually, deep learning can discuss about their capability to make the prediction of the performance students from their environment, their gesture, their expression, and many more. And then the last one is a theme of deep learning as a classification and analysis system. So this is the example of the paper. As we can see, let's say the paper number 1, written by Yang et al. The title of the paper is Deep Learning-Based Agile Teaching Framework of Software Development Courses in Computer Science Education. And then this study discuss about assess and evaluate students' ability automatically using DL or deep learning. And assessment is carried out based on general ability and in particular. So we can call that deep learning can assess and evaluation student performance not only from their task but also from their gesture. So this is the conclusion of my study. The widespread application of deep learning technology, known for its reliability in processing diverse data types, spans across various disciplines, education being a notable one. This article delved into the implementation of DL within the realm of education, utilizing the PRISM method along with Scopus data for research, and the findings highlight the extensive use of deep learning to enhance education. It serves as learning media to aid students in comprehending subjects at mastering competency levels. Moreover, deep learning function as a predictive tools for student achievement, content classifier, pattern identifier for student interaction, and decision maker. Ultimately, the integration of deep learning has the potential to elevate the overall quality of education. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.